Hey guys, today we've got this PS5 controller replica that stopped working properly. It even has two back paddles. Even though it's just a replica, it actually feels pretty solid in the hands. So let's connect it to the laptop and see what's wrong with it. I've honestly never seen something like this before. When I move the right stick, the left stick moves as well. So let's open it up and see what's inside. On these fake controllers, the screws are always hidden, so I need to be careful not to break anything. Alright, now let's put everything back together and see if it works. Put that back in, and I'll see you guys in a second. As you guys can see, everything is working perfectly again. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks.